Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this Get Ready Amazed caused SI changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the engineering behind it is brilliant, I was completely sold. It is a complete game changer because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need SI in your life is because it handles heavy usage without any issues. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it's completely gone. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this Get Ready Amazed caused SI changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the engineering behind it is brilliant, I was completely sold. It is a complete game changer because it simply does its job beautifully